Create Clever Kids.
Hi, today we're going to take a look at these toy book sets from My Busy Books. Now there's a whole series of them, and I think we'll start off with Blaze and the Monster Machines, which is a very popular toy amongst children these days. You can see what's on the back here. Comes with all these characters and this map, as well as the story. And we have some of the toys here. We can take a look at them. They're made of a rubbery-like plastic that's pretty good quality. Feels substantial. And of course here we have the map that the toys play on. And I think there's a few other characters that may be lying around the house somewhere. So you can take your little cars, put them on the road, you can drive along, you can pretend these arrows do an increase in speed, have them jump through, round and about. Great for a child's imagination. Okay, we have another one here, Thomas and Friends from My Busy Books. Now the map on the Thomas one is excellent, with lots of play potential. You have a little parking lot here, a tunnel, sheep pen, farm, lots of rail track. Start to get into the town, the rail crossing, and of course the shoreline with a helicopter pad and a lighthouse. Here are a few of the rubbery-like trains. Pretty good value for the money. You get a lot of little trains, many more than you would for just buying one of the actual metal toys. Okay, and here's the last one we're going to look at today, Peanuts, classic Charlie Brown characters. And this one's a little bit different in that it's done like a comic strip style. And this one has some great characters. I remember when I was a kid, people had little individual toys like these, like $3 or $4 back in the 80s each, which was quite a bit of money back then. Marcy. Let's take a look at the map. Oh, the map is massive with lots of play potential. Look at that, we have a nice little baseball game.
Create clever kids.